Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt. And today, man, we have another reaction. By the way, Happy New Year para sa ating lahat. And I hope naging masaya ang inyong New Year. But today, we are gonna react to SB19 BGC New Year's Eve 2026 performance. So, this past few days, medyo nagpahinga tayo sa internet or social media. Simula nung nagpasko and then New Year, no? So, of course, binigay natin yung oras natin sa pamilya kasi again, isang beses lang naman nagpapasko and New Year sa isang taon. Right? So, medyo late tayo sa mga pangyayari, sa mga bagay-bagay, and we have a lot of pending requests. But, I just wanna watch this first. Ilang araw na to, it's been 2 days, no? Since nung nangyari to. But yeah, I'm just excited, man. Without no further ado, let's get it.
Apple Dia, Casey Tandingan, DJ Montana, and of course, SB19. We all radiate so much like heart and passion across the fifth.
Okay. By the way, I'm so blind about sa event na to. Ano ba to? Yung performance ba ng SB19 is before mag New Year, I assume, right? Right? Ate, yung cellphone mo, ate. Oh man, wala tayo nakita. Yung cellphone na lang nila ate yung naka-ano. Hey. Color of the year. White, nice. Hey. Dito. That's what I'm trying to say. Baka may magkasaya pa yun na lip sync to, no? Bagong taon na, no? Pero maririnig nyo doon na medyo na-late siya ng bigkas ng isang syllable. Tara nyo. Though makita na this is fucking live, no? Lahat to is perform nila na live, like the vocals. Diba? Yung sa kahit ng digmaan, nasabi ata niya na mas maaga kaysa sa dapat na tempo. Right? Pakinggan nyo ha. Diba? Napakalit na detail lang pero yun pa lang masabi mo na this is not a fucking lip sync, no? I hope this year mawala na yan, no? Mawala na yung yan, issue na yan. Buisit eh. God damn, look at that guns. Hey, extra energy. By the way, I'm sorry sa posing, but I just want to say, no, mahaba na ulit yung buhok ni Pablo. Bumabalik na ulit ang kanyang kapangyarihan. Jeez. Jesus, man. Hey. Let's go! Hey! Sino daw? Gwapo daw Nino. Sabi? Gwapo Nino daw? Sino daw? Gwapo? Okay. Sinagot na yung tanong ko. Lahat sila gwapo. Yeah, I mean, it's just fucking unfair, no? Sinabi ko na, in the very first reaction ko sa kanilang lima, hindi ko pa sila kilala. Ang una ko sinabi sa kanila, these guys are fucking unfair, no? Like, they have the looks, they have the singing talent, and then also dancing, no? It's just fucking unfair, all in all. Well, kailangan natin tanggapin yun. Jesus, man. Come on. Let's go. Gusto ko yung yung merong mga echo, no? Of course, man. Hey. Hey. Serious. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like they are extra energetic. I don't know, okay? I mean, nung sa Akon din naman, but you get what I mean, right? So mga iba nilang like guest perform. Kasi technically sa show na to or sa event na to, hindi naman sila yung like the main event, right? Isa sila sa mga artists na magpe-perform for, the New Year's Eve. So basically, itong show na to is hindi lang para sa kanila talaga, technically. And every time na nakapanood ako ng mga show nila na parang sila yung guest performer. Yung binibigay nila yung 100% nila, but naintindihan mo siya sabi. Ang hirap kasi parang may kita mo sa kanila pag yung extra, like yung pagiging graceful nila sa pagsayaw is may something extra, no? I don't know. Like, iba yung mga pitik iba yung mga galaw. I don't know, man. Extra energetic. I love it, man. Especially for Ken. Kasi si Ken, meron siyang mga times na yung galaw niya is yung swag lang or swabe lang, right? Which is bagay na bagay sa kanya. But in here, you can see may kita mo yung side niya na he is a dancer, man. No? Okay, so I found the right word. I'm sorry. Iniisip ko kasi kung paano sabihin. Parang sa ibang lang performance kasi, parang binabalance nila yung movement and yung pagkanta. Especially kung multiple yung songs na ipe-perform nila. Kasi again, you have to find the balance, no? Para ma-perform mo lahat, 'di ba? Na hindi ka pa rin naghahabol ng hininga, 'di ba? Kailangan hindi ka naman pwedeng tumodo agad na sobrang ganoon talaga. Nagwawala ka na, no? Baka pagdating ng second song, hinihingal ka na. I mean, alam natin na mataas na yung cardio nila kasi again, they always work out and then in-workout nila yung cardio nila. But kahit sinong tao pa yan, no? pag tinodo mo, pag binigay todo mo talaga sa pinaka-umpisa pa lang, hihingaling ka, which is, I guess, na-master na nila yon, no? Na makapag-perform sila na hindi malamya, pero at the same time, hindi sila over-exaggerating yung movement nila para i-reserve yung energy. But in this one, man, I mean, I don't know, man. They're extra energetic. Ako lang siguro. Hey! What? Gee! Natingin na naman sa atin si Josh Mel every single time, no? I mean, si Josh kasi mahal naman ng camera si Josh, no? Every performance nila. I don't know why. But isa si Josh sa pinakamahal na mahal ng camera every time that they have a performance, no? I'm looking for my desire, we roll or die. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. 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 Oh, shit. Like, you see what I'm saying, man? They're extra energetic. Like, look at this too, man. Josh and Ken. Hey, hey, come on, man. What do you mean? Woo! The contrast ad-lib, like the vocal ni Stel. God damn. Oh, man, love that, no? Love that. The contrast tone. Wow. Jesus, man. Let's go. Man, you're making me hype, man. You're making me hype. Gabi na. Oh, paalala na.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga si Josh. What is up, BGC? It's your boy Stan!
It's your boy Stan. Let's go.
18. Good evening, everyone. This is Justin. SB19.
Water. They need water. Of course. Maybe yung napipili lang natin na na fan cam, nagkakataon lang pala. I don't know, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, every time na manonood tayo ng like a fan cam performance nila. Nagkakataon na palaging dun sa pwesto kung saan yung blocking palagi ni Josh, no? Maybe that's the reason why. Kasi sabi ko ngayon na mahal siya ng camera because look at this. Look at this. Asa harap pa na naman tayo ni Josh. And I'm not actually even complaining about it, no? God damn. Hey. One day we'll hope you know. I'm living every day. Come on, a little bit of R&B vocal run. She. Damn. Let's go, man. Vocals ka mo, vocals ba ka mo? Oh. May kumatok. Nakatawa eh, no? This song is, you know, like we can consider this as a diss track, no? But nagpasayaw and nagpasaya ng buong taon ng 2025, no? A diss track, right? Bon! Balbon! Vega. Hey. Josh? Ano si Josh? Ayun. Ayun pala. God damn. Hey, saktong-sakto yung mga dancer doon, no? Man, shout out W3, man. Hey. Hey. This guy, man. Hey, come on. Come on. Every single time na laging iba yung hawak niya, which is ngayon Torota, it's a new year, man. Let's fucking go. Hey. Hey. Come on, man. Every single time. Let's go, man. Grabe yung confetti, no? A smoke effect. Hindi kompleto, no? Hindi kompleto. Red Cribs. I feel like si Stel ngayon is bulking, no? So medyo malaki si Stel eh. I feel like the cut after this bulking is going to be crazy, man. The cut is going to be crazy after this bulking. I mean, I assume nag-bulking siya at the moment. But pag nag-cutting na si Stel, sheesh. Makikita natin kung sinong kung mas ripped ba siya kasi si Josh is just fucking ripped na. Makikita natin. Hey. Easy. Hey. Let's go. Kawakante, man. Hey. Hey. Onion Sun. Oh, they still did it. Oh man, let's go. They still did it, man. Man, this fucking dance break, no? This fucking dance break. Isang linggo hata to, no? Ulit-ulit dito sa screen ko. Like, watching their performance all over again sa Akon. At the same time, watching other performance, dancing the dance break para sa Crimzone. But come on, man. Buti lang. Hey. So this time hindi na sila nakapaikot, no. Nakaharap sila mismo sa crowd kasi 'di ba yung original choreography nito is nakapaikot sila, which is for Akon. But this time nakaharap sila sa atin. That's why medyo iba yung ano. Okay. Let's go, Justin. Saya palagi pag kita yung huling performance. Hey! Man. Ken is just aura posing in here, man. Just aura posing in here, man. Just aura posing, man. Man, what a year for SB19, no? 2025, man. Alam mo ng SB19 at 2025. I'm excited for 2026. Happy New Year, man! Alright, well again, that is SB19, no? BGC New Year's Eve 2026 performance. I mean, always 100%. I guess 150% nga dito. Extra energetic sila, no? Sa paningin ko, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like extra energetic sila dito. And sobrang saya na ginawa pa rin nila yung dance break, no? Kahit na original yung iba nilang kanta, 'di ba? Parang hindi na-expect ng mga tao, parang ganoon pa rin, may dance break pa rin yung doon. Pero yeah, I fucking enjoy that, no? So enjoy that. Well, that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo yun. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto mo sabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, nag-react tayo dyan. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.